Yesterday, last class, we discussed ideas of the development, different countries, different income and criteria, different goals, different aspects of the development discussed. Today, there are two countries there, country A and country B. Monthly per capita income of the citizens. I mean comparison of the two countries there. First, 5 citizens, average 5 citizens there. The 5 citizens per capita income discuss. See, country A, citizen 1 9,500, citizen 2 10,800, citizen 3 9,800, citizen 4 10,000, and citizen 5 9,500. 9,500. Okay, country A, monthly per capita income of the citizen comparison. I mean average of income is all 5 citizens income is average income also equal. Average income 5 citizens income approximately is completely average. Another important state, country B. Country B, 5 citizens there. Citizen 1 500, citizens 2 500, citizen 3 500, and citizen 4 500, and citizen 5 48. 5 citizens 500. One of the citizen, fifth number, 48,000 per capita. The citizens' income is completely variation. Majority people income is very low. Only few members income is very high. The income, per capita income of the citizens in countries in the world, some countries income also is completely variation. Country B, variation is very up and down. I mean one of the member 50 citizen income very high compared the remaining 1, 2, 3, 4 citizens. This information is the some countries, suppose developed countries, America, France, England, countries, I mean developed countries income just like country. The citizens income approximately average, all citizens income variation, not high variation. Approximately average income, all members income, I mean equal income. Variation is low. Country B, the income variation is very high. Low income people have, majority people low income people, only few people high income people. That's why here the country, suppose country B just like developing countries or poor countries there. Suppose our India, majority people per capita income is very low. Only few people income is very high. This is the comparison of the per capita. This is the idea of the development. Suppose some countries goals, some countries income, some countries aspects is completely different. Another important report, our India 3 states per capita income discussed. Suppose per capita income some states, 3 states there, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, and Bihar. 3 states per capita income. Punjab per capita income 78,000. Himachal Pradesh state 75,000 and Bihar state per capita income 25,000. Why? Bihar per capita income only 25. I mean low per capita in India. Punjab is very high. And Himachal Pradesh also average equal of the Punjab. Some states per capita income of India is completely different. Some states per capita income very high, Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, some and so on, etc. Bihar and some countries, some states per capita income is the idea of the development. Idea of the development, the states follow the some rules and regulation. The states implemented the particular category, the particular causes of the particular area, particular category. Next to per capita income, next to education. Suppose education, literacy rate. Some states literacy rate to Kerala, Himachal Pradesh, and Bihar. Kerala literacy rate to 90% above. Himachal Pradesh literacy rate also 90%, approximately nearly 100%. Kerala. Himachal Pradesh also 90% above. Bihar literacy rate only 3%. Why? The ideas of the development already last class discussed. Himachal Pradesh is the main priority of education. The schooling revolution occurred in Himachal Pradesh state. Why? After independent, I mean after formation of Himachal Pradesh state, low literacy state in India. The state government, the state leaders completely priority the education, especially the compulsory education implemented perfectly, 100% implemented by the Himachal Pradesh government. This is the idea of the development process. Some states in the particular category, some states per capita income highest income states, suppose or India, Punjab. Education literacy rate Kerala after Himachal Pradesh state. Here the India and in the world, the states and countries follow the particular category, particular area, particular concepts of the development. Here, suppose monthly per capita income, country A, country B, just here see variation. I mean the completely the people income also is variation. People income is the main factor, main cause of the development. High income people and low income people ideas or high income people thoughts, low income people thoughts also is completely variation. High income people thoughts is the high level, I mean the highest purchasing capacity people. During the inflation time also, the people is completely purchasing the any goods the market. Low income people purchasing capacity is very low. The people suffer during the inflation time and economical depression time. Here the countrywide and stateswide, the countries and states followed the some development program. Suppose Himachal Pradesh follow the one of the development program, education program, the schooling revolution, especially girls education. Compare the boys Girls also equal the boys net attendance rate. Net attendance rate, literacy rate, and education level also is very high of Himachal Pradesh state. Majority students, even parents also committees formed in Himachal Pradesh. All schools, parents committees there. Parents also run the schools, I mean government schools. The students also joined in government schools. Encourage the government schools. Government schools also establish very high infrastructure. All facilities provided by the governments. The students and parents also interested of government schools. Girls, especially girls also studying in government schools. The girls highest literacy rate and highest net attendance rate in Himachal Pradesh. It is the idea of the development. Education and income and some aspects is the importance of the development ideas. Different goals, different ideas, different aspects, different thoughts. The people is completely different income people. Income is the main factor of the development and all things. Here, suppose our India, some neighbor states table there, some information given. Suppose Sri Lanka and Indian neighbor states, Sri Lanka, India, Nepal, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Pakistan, some countries there. Suppose example Sri Lanka and India, two countries there. Our neighbor country Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka per capita income, net attendance rate, life expectancy, HDI, Human Development Index, Human Development Report. HDI is the ultimately development aspects of the development. Per capita income, Sri Lanka 5,000 above. Indian per capita income 3,000 above. Net attendance rate, Sri Lanka 9 point above. Our India 6 point above. Life expectancy, Sri Lanka 75 years above. Our India 65 years. HDI report, Sri Lanka throughout in the world 92 rank. Our India 136 rank. Sri Lanka, India, compared Sri Lanka and India, two countries, our Indian, I mean South Indians, South Asian states, countries there. Sri Lanka is better. Per capita income 5,000 above, compared to India 3,000 above. Net attendance, life expectancy 10 years high, compared to Indian. Life expectancy is the expected permanent life. Forget the life at the time of the birth. Life expectancy, net attendance, per capita, all things. HDI are all things including HDI. HDI report in the world rank 92. Our India 90, 136. I mean 142 ranks down compared to Sri Lanka. Why? The priority of the development, ideas of the development. Here, our India, Punjab, Bihar, variation here. Per capita income 75,000, Bihar 25,000. 2 times bigger. 2 times bigger per capita income of Punjab compared to Bihar. Why is the idea of the development? Development process is the important thing. Suppose Himachal Pradesh after independence, after formation from Himachal Pradesh, the Himachal Pradesh literacy rate low. Now Himachal Pradesh literacy rate is high. Why? The Himachal Pradesh main support the priority, the allotted the lot of money and priority the education, especially girls education. The compulsory education provided by the Himachal Pradesh state government. Majority people, all people, majority the people join government schools Himachal Pradesh. And students and parents also join the, encourage the government school. Parents committees also established in Himachal Pradesh state schools. The higher education also priority. Girls higher education also provided by the Himachal Pradesh. Free education. This is the idea of the development. The idea of the development lesson, some income, and all per capita income, national income, whatever may be. All development process including HDA. HDA report is very, very important. HDA is the main aspect of the development. All things about per capita, national income, net attendance rate, life expectancy, infant mortality rate, all things included in HDA. Just like HDA report 92 in the world, 92 rank better our Indian and South Asian states. Our Indian are 36. Okay, here the income and criteria, all things is the important influence the ideas of the development. Society, some group of people, low income, high income, middle income people there. Suppose one of the project, Kodamkulam nuclear project, already discussed Kodamkulam nuclear project. Kodamkulam nuclear project is the very important project in India. Nuclear power project. The power generation. The totally electrified in India. All villages. Here, all group of people. Some people, all people. The people, different ideas, different goals, different aspects of the development. The people needs. The people wants, the people main important needs, whatever may. What are the important need of the particular group of people? Suppose slum areas. Slum areas is not properly, proper facilities in slum area. Slum area people suffer so many things. Properly provide the drinking water, street lights, roads, all things. Why the people settle in not properly and not planned areas? Why the people income is very low. The people settle in unplanned areas, all cities. Suppose Mumbai nowadays, Karachi. So many slum areas of India. So many poor people settle in slum areas. The people demand, the people needs, the people wants compulsory, the needs provided by the government. Improve the living conditions, improve the all facilities. The people income also improve. Why? The government established and the government provide the employment. government to provide the education, government to provide the all facilities, I mean roads, drinking water, street lights, properly houses, I mean paka houses, all things, education, health facilities. The people purchasing capacity also high level. Why? The government compulsory provide the all facilities. The government to implement the education programs. The poor people, so many people suffered all these things. The people development, suppose so many industries established, so many employment generation programs, so many working provide the works, provide the different type of work. The people engage these works. The people earn the income. Automatically, the people living condition, the people life expectancy, the people per capita income, the people all things are very high. I mean implemented. Automatically, the people is very high position or better position. The important things followed by the governments, and people also so many things follow. Suppose olden days, at beginning of the after independent, the India majority people working in agriculture sector. Nowadays the people diverted, transfer other categories. Suppose the people change in service sector and industrial sector. Nowadays, our India majority people working industrial and service sector. Industrial service sector, it is the development sectors. Suppose developed countries there, America, France, Germany, etc. and so on. The countries people working in or engaged in service and industrial sector. Our Indian people, majority people, beginning of the independent, majority people working in agriculture sector. Nowadays, the people is completely changed or transferred in other categories. Our India is a developing country. Okay, our India nowadays income wise, our IMO divided into three groups: developed countries, developing countries, and middle countries. Our India middle country there. According to per capita income, according to national income. Today, here the governments and countries and states, all the people is completely ideas. Idea is the main important mode of the development. Okay.